lack. GNPX. Yuko.
GLW.
BKYI. Glue. Sophie.
GLW.
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 Big spread. GLW. Watch the spread. LIXT. SHPH. LIXT. NWTN. NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN. NWTN. BKYI.
NWTN.
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 NWTN. NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN. NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
NWTN.
SHPH. AREB. Sophie. AREB. LIXT. BKYI. LIXT.
FUTU.
BKYI.
FUTU. FUTU.
BKYI.
Nay.
BKYI.
GLW.
GLYC shares to resume trading in just a couple of less than a minute or so.
GLW. 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 GLW.
GLW. BEKY. AREB. NWTN.
DJT. 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 DJT.
KPRX. AREB. 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 AREB.
GLW. DJT. DJT.
AREB.
DJT. GLW.
NWTN.
WKSP exclusive to Benzinger. Worksport tells Benzinger company sees over 200% growth in B2B
NWTN.
sales.
DJT.
Says initiates pre-order
DJT.
campaign for
DJT.
new AL4
NWTN.
tonneau
DJT.
cover.
BKYI.
Worksport tells Benzinger Company
DJT.
initiates business with hundreds of dealers across USA. New model AL4 attracts industry-leading distributors. That's
LIXT.
exclusive.
DJT.
That's Whiskey Kilo Sandy Papa.
NWTN.
DJT. WKSP.
ATI reporting
DJT.
60 cents.
FUTU. WKSP. DJT. Xena. DJT. FUTU. Xena. Xena. Xena.
Sales of
DJT.
$1.05 billion. The estimate was 66 cents, so that is short for ATI.
RGTI.
NWBI, Northwest Bank Shares, reporting 26 cents.
SHPH.
The estimate was 26 cents, so
SHPH.
that's in line for November Whiskey Bravo
FUTU.
India.
FUTU.
BKYI.
DJT. DJT.
OLLY, Ollie's Bargain Outlet acquires additional former Big Lot stores. That's Oscar Lima Lima, India.
FUTU.
SHPH. RGTI.
HNI reporting
FUTU.
$1.03.
SHPH. SHPH. SHPH.
QNTM.
HUBB, Hubble reporting $4.49.
DJT.
DJT.
DJT. DJT.
The estimate was $4.45. That's a beat for Hotel Uniform Bravo Bravo.
BKYI. SHPH.
GOYC shares
BITX.
resumed trading, spiking 47 cents at the high, up almost 200%
DJT.
on that going private
DJT.
news. That's Golf Lima Yankee Charlie.
HCC. DJTWW. DJT.
SHPH.
DJT.
WKSP.
DJT. 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 DJTWW.
NWTN.
DJTWW. ITRM.
DJT. LIXT. DJT. AREB.
QNTM. DJT. DJT. DJT.
BKYI. DJT. DJT. AREB.
GLYC.
AREB. AREB.
DJT. 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 DJT.
AREB. DJT.
DJTW
BKYI.
DJTW ITRM DJT DJT WWW DJT 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 DJT
DJT.
DJTWW
SHPH. SHPH. BKYI.
DJT DJT DJT
AREB. Billy.
DJT
BKYI.
DJT DJTWW DJT
DJT.
DJT DJTWW
DJT.
DJT DJT
DJT.
DJT
NWTN. BTC. PFE. AREB.
Veil
NWTN. NWTN. CLSK. AREB. AREB. SHPH.
SLAB Xylab reports top-line data from phase 3 Bridgeton trial. That's Sandy Lima
Sophie.
Alpha Bravo,
LX.
SLAB. ABEO,
BKYI.
Abiona Therapeutics, has
BKYI.
resubmitted its biologics license according application to the FDA for prademagene PZ cell That's Alpha Bravo Echo Oscar ABEO.
NIO. AREB. BKYI. BKYI. BKYI.
DJT,
BKYI.
DJT, 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 DJT,
BKYI.
CSIQ,
BKYI.
CSIQ,
BKYI.
game,
RGTI. DJT. ETHU. Sophie. LIXT. SHPH. Sophie. PHG. PHG.
O,
PHG. SHPH. BKYI. BKYI.
CSIQ, O,
SHPH.
O,
SHPH. DJT. BKYI. AREB. AREB. BKYI. SHPH. 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 SHPH.
ELDN.
XPEV. DJT.
DJTW.
DJT.
DJTWW.
BKYI. SHPH. BKYI. SHPH.
OCS.
ELDN.
ELDN.
ELDN. SHPH.
CYCC.
ELDN.
GLW.
LIXT.
GLDIX. Veil. GLW.
DJT. DJT.
GLW.
AREB.
GLW.
AREB. AREB. BKYI. AREB. BKYI. LIXT. LIXT. LIXT.
GLW.
LIXT. LIXT.
SBSW. GLW.
NWTN.
One thing is for certain, out of all assets, small
ELDN.
cap stocks might be one of the most interesting assets to
ELDN.
trade, especially due to their wild nature and often very diverse behavior. Even though that essentially one can categorize majority small cap day one plays within just two main sections, which is either a squeezer or a
ELDN.
fader, but under the surface there is a lot
ELDN.
much more diversity
ELDN.
going on. making them
ELDN,
interesting asset to trade for day
ELDN.
traders. This article will cover some of the data collections on behaviors from 2019 and 2018 small cap stocks, day one plays, and specific behaviors or
GLW.
patterns that are often present around them. It might seem like a
GLW.
breakdown of many different complicated methods, but in my view, rather than using VWAP_over to explain basic behavior of stock and creating very broad mixed behavioral data, personally, I rather use
GLW.
very specific patterns that might be more difficult to identify, but at least they perform with much
ELDN,
higher performance rate
ELDN.
and can
ELDN.
be very robustly
ELDN.
backtested. The key point is that if enough of those
ELDN.
patterns and behaviors are stacked in Trader's Playbook, even if
ELDN.
rare, once stacked with enough setups, trader will eventually get one play a day on some stock frequently. Be patient, learn, research, and stack that playbook up.
BKYI. PFE. IREN.
FUTU. FUTU.
ELDN.
ELDN.
ELDN. ELDN.
ELDN. CISS.
LIXT. LIXT. LIXT.
CSIQ.
TZA. ELDN. DJT. AREB. BKYI. BKYI. SHPH. BITF. LIXT. ELDN. ELDN.
ELDN.
ELDN. Sophie.
ELDN. ELDN.
ELDN.
ELDN. ELDN.
ELDN. ELDN. Sophie. Sophie. ELDN. TSLL. ELDN. BKYI. LIXT. AREB. LIXT. ELDN. AREB. 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 SGMO. SHPH.
FUTU. AHR.
ELDN.
FUTU.
Sophie. AHR. Big spread. BKYI. BKYI.
Coming up at 8 o'clock, earnings from Cisco, SYY. Expecting $1.13
ELDN.
for Sandy Yankee.
ELDN.
UPST.
LIXT. ELDN.
How to use the data. The patterns or variables outlined on this article are mainly just guide to give trader better perception on
SHPH.
expectations of the moves. But without trader studying them
DJT.
by him/herself over historical examples, the variables will not
DJT.
serve much use. Trader has to reaffirm the use
FUTU.
case of variable before it can be applied on real-time
DJT.
trading, and for that doing the study of
KPRX.
each given variable is necessary.
LNS.
It is best not to isolate just one
AREB.
variable and base the potential
SYY,
scenarios on
Cisco,
stock on
HCT.
it. It is always better
KPRX.
to operate with several variables and using them
LYS.
together in orchestra to see the more realistic outcome of moves.
$1.13. adjusted.
FUTU.
Sales of 20.5 billion. The estimate was 20.463 billion. So that's a beat on sales, a miss on earnings
SNDL.
for Sandy Yankee.
PHG.
U.S. food
BIBI.
service sales up 4.6%. International up 3% for SYY.
NBY.
Moves.
ECL, Ecolab
That is
NBY.
why
reporting
each
DJT.
pattern explained on article
NBY.
is composed of
adjusted earnings
multiple
of
variables
NBY.
for better
$1.03.
accuracy on detection
NBY.
and identification.
ABEO.
Also, for the practical reasons, article covers only
RGTI.
few examples for each pattern's /
The
setups.
estimate was $1.82.
Otherwise, the
so
article
that's a
would
beat
just
for
get too
Echo Charlie
extended.
Lima.
It is up to trader to do
IPG Photonics.
Data
reporting
collection
a loss of
sections.
$5.33.
1.
MBTS. RITM.
After strong
ELDN.
backside, after
The
12
estimates,
p.m., does stock reclaim
ASIG,
HOD?
GPIR.
High of the day?
uh,
Data. 10%
AREB.
chance, low chance to
DJT.
happen. 2. Keep adding short / recycled ads on backside of stock if stock
BKYI.
displays proper backside after 12
that
p.m.
does not compare with the
Data.
estimate.
Often
The
right thing
adjusted
to
earnings
do.
of 29
60%
cents is
cases.
the
NBY.
estimate was
3.
20
That stock
cents.
has a
Sales up
fade and closes
233.
under open price.
1.4 million. The
Data.
estimate 228.44
75%
million.
chance. For stock has
NBY.
decent fade. Early
Beats
/
for
midday / or
IPG.
trough later hours, and essentially
IPG
closes
Photonics
relatively
to
weak.
acquire
NBY.
Clean
Data.
Laser.
NBY.
That's
Mara.
India Papa Golf Papa.
NBY. ELDN.
KDP.
CTS reporting 61 cents. The estimate
DJT.
was 64 cents, so that's short for Charlie
BKYI.
Tango Sandy. TALK Talkspace reporting a penny in earnings.
IBG. UMAC.
The estimate
NBY.
was 0, so that's a
NBY.
beat for
IBG.
TALK.
IBG.
Revenue of
OPRA.
47 million. The estimate was about in line with estimate for
IBG.
TALK. Tango Alpha Lima
IBG.
Kilo.
IBG.
BKYI.
IB Innovation Beverage Group received largest shipments of its top-selling bitters to
KPRX.
date in the U.S. That's India
ELDN.
LIXT.
Bravo Golf, IBG.
ELDN. ELDN. BKYI. BKYI. BKYI.
ABEO. IBG. IBG. IBG.
NBY.
IBG.
NBY. LIXT.
FNGR. PTIX.
NBY. BKYI.
FELE Franklin Electric reporting $1.17. The estimate was $1.31. Sales of 531.4 million. The estimate was 555 million. That's Foxtrot Echo Lima
ELDN.
Echo. FELE.
MNSO. NBY. NBY.
NBY. Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals board determines unsolicited
ABEO.
offer is superior
DJT.
to asset purchase agreement with
NBY.
PRN physician recommended nutraceuticals.
ELDN.
That is November Bravo Yankee. NBY.
ELDN.
NBY.
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 NWTN.
NBY shares hitting 95 cents, up about 80%. That's November Bravo Yankee.
ELDN. lack.
NKGN shares spiking here. November Kilo Golf November. NKGN.
LIXT.
NKGN Biotech presents phase 1/2A truculocell data in
LIXT.
Alzheimer's disease
MSTR.
at CTAD conference.
LIXT.
That's November Kilo Golf November.
F.
Said despite majority of subjects receiving suboptimal dosing, only 4 doses in pivotal trial,
HLIT.
90% of evaluable subjects experienced stable or improved cognitive function. That is November Kilo Golf November, NKGN.
NWTN. BKYI.
WWR.
SHPH. BKYI.
KER.
SHPH.
HLIT.
APVO, Optivo Therapeutics, and Alligator Bioscience to present additional interim phase 1 data evaluating ALG APV 527 monotherapy in multiple solid tumors. That's Alpha Papa Victor Oscar.
BKYI.
HLIT.
Data, similar to above. 5 IS dry liquidity present between 10 to 11 o'clock resulting with more fade. Data, 90% chance of further fade, especially if following the trap setup. 6
MNSL.
Sophie.
liquidity is strong at 10 to 11 o'clock and stock has front side with further push, opposite of above number 5. Data, 85% chance. 1 HOD reclaim after strong backside fade, often EUD short squeeze. This variable is meant as general guide that stocks with strong backside after first hour of
CLDX.
open tend to have lower
KER.
chance of reclaiming the high of the day, especially if all the conditions fit the strong backside.
LPA.
The idea behind this guide is that on stocks where the buyers
ELDN.
dry out relatively quickly after first hour and the volume drops significantly, the remaining present liquidity will in most cases be just sellers. On small cap stock
OPRA.
sellers are usually present, even if buyers are not,
ELDN.
since the long-term fundamental drive puts those stocks very often towards bearish pressure, along with the fact that if stock is faded since open
ELDN.
there are potentially some
NBY.
fresh buyers caught at high prices of that day that might eventually be forced or willing to just sell out towards later hours of day once they see that stock is
CLDX.
not bouncing to the upside. One thing that is
NBY.
rather important to
ULCC
point
for
out
LDN.
is that definition of
Airlines,
strong
with,
backside
their
has to be
results,
identified
company
with the
reporting
same rule.
ELDN.
5 cents loss. The estimate was a loss of 3
EST.
cents, or wider loss than expected for
OPRA.
ULCC. NKGN
CLDX
shares
pins.
spiked and then falling here, trading lower at the lows.
CLDX.
ELDN.
Rules as
CLDX.
outlined on article below. Because the variables that were noted for my research are strictly order flow / liquidity based
CLDX,
and perform
AHR.
relatively well as they exclude stocks that have EOD, end of the day, short squeezes relatively well. For
NBY.
example, if
LMT
one would use
Lockheed Martin
very
awarded
simplistic
$113 million contract by Naval Sea Systems Command. That's Lima Michael Tango.
identification of defining backside on stock just as price being under VWAP after certain hour, that would lead to completely different percent-wise performance of pattern, as VWAP is too simplistic way to look at backside of stock, especially if trader wants to exclude the stocks that have higher chance of strong short squeeze in later hours. Those stocks that actually do breach the
BFE.
HOD in later hours, which is the whole point of this subsection of article.
BKYI.
NXL.
BKYI.
As
AREB.
Sad face.
PYPL, PayPal CEO said seeing a 15 to 20% increase in buy now,
AUUD.
pay later
P-
use. That's on their conference call. PYPL. Shares of PayPal right now
BKYI.
are at 81.45, down about $2.
Thus, looking at liquidity
BKYI.
conditions to define backside
PYPL.
and following that 10% HOD takeout chance, small chance to happen,
shares,
NBY.
would only be applied
290.02 off the
realistically if trader
lows,
uses
down
the
about
rules to define backside as explained on article below.
$6.77
As comparison, if
now
one would use VWAP to define backside
on
and then
their,
figure out what chance for
DJT.
stock is to take out HOD once under VWAP, the statistical
worse than expected
behavioral data
sales.
would be far less
That's,
reliable
Michael
and
Charlie
weaker
Delta.
as there are just too many crosses up
TZA.
and down over VWAP
LIXT.
trough the day, small cap stocks. This does not mean that VWAP is not
BKYI.
useful guide. It just means that the performance of pattern is different, and the data research
BKYI.
done from my part is only useful and relative to specific rules and how the backside is determined. Below is conceptual example of what is meant under this
BKYI.
pattern. HOD reclaim after strong backside drop.
NIO. Sophie. DJT.
And realistically, it should be pointed out that most of the cases where this major HOD clear out does happen is where the liquidity trough the middle of day is still not
DJT.
completely dried out, and the stock still displays average 10K volume traded per M1 candle on average.
DJT.
With other words, this rare strong backside HOD clear out happens mostly on stocks where there
DJT.
is still decent liquidity present on backside to cause EOD short squeeze. The concept of this rare pattern is that if market makers want to squeeze short
DJT.
sellers at later part of day, the stock needs to trade with
PRPL.
at least decent
DJT.
liquidity trough the day
Big
so that
spread.
short sellers keep
DJT.
coming and participating trough the day. If liquidity on stock dries out very quickly, let's say 2 hours after open, then short sellers are much less likely to short into weakness
DJT.
as they are scared to be caught in
DJT.
dry liquidity and having issues of covering out. An underwater buyer with negative position might be much
DJT.
more willing to
DJT.
just sell out his
LIXT.
position in
DJT.
dry
DJT.
liquidity conditions
DJT.
compared to short seller who would
DJT.
decide to start
WW.
participating on
DJT.
fresh position on
DJT.
weakness of dry liquid asset. Thus, less shorts to be squeezed,
BKYI.
and supply should do its job pushing
LIXT.
the asset lower if there is not enough liquidity for short sellers to keep participating.
BKYI.
Conceptual difference of how short sellers participate
EX
on dry liquid
Blackstone
asset
raises
versus the more
$22 billion
higher
in
liquid
direct
asset trough the
lending
day,
fund, that from
thus
Bloomberg.
impacting
That's,
potential
Robert
chance of
LDN.
short squeeze.
X-ray.
BKYI.
DJTWW.
PFIE. LIXT. LIXT. Cold.
RYAM.
GSK, GlaxoSmithKline enters agreement
LIXT.
to acquire CMG 1846 from Chimagen Biosciences to
MNSO.
expand immunology
MNSO.
pipeline. $300 million up front. Milestone payments totaling $550 million. That's Golf Sandy
LIXT.
Kilo.
DJTWW. DJT. DJT.
ELDN. AREB, AMDL, AREB, Sophie, BKYI, BKYI, AMDL,
Lucy. DJT. DJT.
LAC,
NXRT, Next Point Residential Trust reporting.
Sophie,
DJT.
SHPH,
DJT. DJT. DJT.
DJT, DJT,
DJTWW.
LIXT, VZLA,
BTSG. VFF.
AREB, NBY,
DJTWW.
UAVS, RGTI,
DJTWW. CLDX.
MSTR, CONL, LIXT,
CSIQ.
CONL, ELDN,
NBIS. BTSG.
LIXT,
KER.
BKYI, DJT, DJT, BKYI,
GOGL. NBIS. UAVS.
LIXT,
UAVS.
AREB,
AMIX.
AREB,
NBIS. NBIS.
LIXT,
BTSG.
AREB, 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 LIXT,
BTSG. BTSG.
LIXT, LIXT,
NBIS.
ARBK,
CHRO,
Sophie,
NBIS,
Sophie. BKYI,
AMRN, INDP, KER,
SHPH,
BTSG,
BKYI,
NXL,
BKYI, BKYI, BKYI,
NXL,
HCTI,
There is only
LPRA.
10% chance of this pattern to happen overall if ticker has decent
BKYI.
backside fade, but it depends on details, how weak really the liquidity is relative to float, and to be within more realistic window using right variables to identify the strength of overall backside is what matters.
BKYI,
Majority of those type of rare EOD, end of the day, clearouts will happen after 2 p.m. and will be forming large short squeeze. The key telltale variable will often be unusually high volume burst all of a sudden above previous major high in most cases, 100K plus vol print. An example of
Sure.
such ticker on REXN, strong backside fade trough midday, and then all of a sudden huge volume short
SHPH.
squeeze all the way into HOD clear out, a rare type of heavy squeeze after backside.
CIFR,
OPRA, KER, SLNH,
AREB,
KER, OPRA, TC, KER, OPRA,
TC,
PYPL, PayPal CFO says expects lower Braintree volume and revenue growth in Q4
TC,
and through 2025 before
OPRA,
accelerating. That's
OPRA.
PYPL, PayPal.
TC, TC,
ACHR,
NCI,
TC,
UAVS,
BKYI, BKYI,
UAVS,
BKYI, NIO,
NCI, TC, Beam, OPRA, OPRA,
BKYI, TSLQ, LTBR,
OPRA, EQ, NXL, DGHI,
DJT,
NXL,
TC, DJT, NBY, TIGR, SHPH, SHPH, NBY,
OPRA, OPRA, DGHI.
Coming up at 8:30, wholesale inventories for September plus 0.2% expected. Goods trade balance minus 95.9 billion, the consensus.
ELDN, 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 AREB,
NXL,
AREB,
OPRA,
NWTN,
IGIC,
BKYI, BKYI, LIXT,
ORKT,
PSQH, AREB,
NVDA, NVIDIA, SoftBank CEO Sun says, I think NVIDIA is undervalued.
Sophie,
PSQH, DGHI,
DJT, SGMO, ELDN,
PayPal CFO on holiday quarter spending trend says consumer feels strong at this point.
AREB,
That's PYPL.
AREB, ELDN,
Coming up, wholesale inventories and the goods trade balance.
CHRO, Lucy,
SHPH,
Goods trade balance minus 108.23 billion versus 95.9 billion.
LUMN,
SHPH,
LUMN,
LUMN, LUMN,
LUMN, LUMN,
LUMN,
LUMN,
SHPH,
Retail
DGHI.
inventories ex auto plus 0.1% versus plus 0.5% previous.
SHPH. ELDN.
ALLO, Allogene Therapeutics, receives FDA Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation for ALLO-316 for patients with advanced or metastatic renal cell carcinoma. That is Alpha Lima Lima Oscar, ALLO.
TZA.
Wholesale inventories minus 0.1% versus plus 0.2% expected.
IVDA.
Lucy,
IVDA.
Lucy, Lucy, Lucy,
Lucy.
Lucy,
Big
Lucy.
spread.
WCY, Innovative Eyewear shares
Watch the spread.
spiking here.
Lucy. Big spread.
ABEO,
Company launching first ANC certified smart safety glasses for
Lucy.
all day wear. That is Lima Uniform Charlie Yankee.
NBY.
TFFP,
Shares hitting $12.01 at the high of
SHPH.
100% on that press release.
ELDN. SHPH.
WWR,
ELDN.
LPA,
ELDN.
AMLI,
NBY.
VCIG, VCI Global, wins its first AI contract worth $16 million. That's Victor Charlie India Golf.
ELDN.
SKYQ, naming a new
Lucy,
CFO, Sandy
AMLI,
Kilo
Lucy.
Yankee, Quebec.
Lucy. Lucy.
Shares of
Lucy.
Innovative
Lucy.
Eyewear, Lucy, $12.38.
LIXT. SHPH.
Lucy,
1977 now, continuing to
Lucy.
spike here.
BKYI. LIXT.
This 2024 Google update lets you earn money by watching ads. I feel like I just found a Google cheat code.
Lucy. Big spread. Lucy. Lucy. Big spread. NBY. Lucy. LIXT, SHPH, NBY, Lucy,
AMPX
NXL.
sees Q3 loss per share of 10 to 11 cents.
SHPH,
AMPX,
Serve,
Lucy,
Lucy, Big Spread,
GOGL,
Lucy,
NXL,
NXL,
NXL, NXL,
MSTR, NIO,
NXL, NXL, MCRB,
DJT, MSTX, Lucy, Lucy,
McDonald's executive said the recent
TGTX.
spate of E.
BKYI.
coli cases were
BKYI,
deeply concerning. That on McDonald's call. Shares of McDonald's
Rig.
following their report. Right now, off the lows
ABEL.
at 290.34, down more than $6. That's Michael Charlie Delta.
Lucy,
NXL,
SHPH, Lucy, 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 NXL, Lucy, ELDN, Lucy, ELDN, SHPH, SHPH, DJT,
PXDT,
DJT, BKYI, BKYI.
McDonald's CEO on the E. coli
HCTI.
outbreak says we are sorry for what our customers have experienced.
HCTI. BKYI.
ATYR.
Lucy.
KODK.
BKYI. BKYI.
GNK.
DJT. NBY. DJT. DJT.
ATYR.
Lucy. 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 BKYI.
RVPH.
BKYI. BKYI. Lucy. ELDN. DJT. ELDN.
If you want to get your name, phone number, and address off the internet, but want to handle the removals
Snap.
yourself,
which is jobs. 5.
RZLV.
We're about flat. They say, oh, hey,
ELDN.
and make some, and not. Yeah, sorry, I got. Yeah. We do have some updates from came up. Tiny amount, something like a day. Kindle.
Riley.
Honestly, I would use
Sophie.
If PCE as an example
Riley.
is higher. And so Schiller house price index
Sophie.
at 9 a.m. So the K-Schiller house price index drops at 9 a.m. We're going to see what that looks like here. Again, coming from the top 3 worst day trader of all time goods, more than we
Sophie.
wanted to. These two combines.
Soho.
Is that nobody cries manipulation. Like, here, per trade, especially this one's a monthly subscription.
Lucy. Lucy. Lucy.
Riley.
Lucy. Lucy.
$1,000. You might think
KUKE.
it has to do with themselves, but
DJT.
in the middle of the night, saying this, I guess I'm bragging a little bit. A super weak economic.
Sophie.
Right, that's what it was last time. Was 3 or
ELDN.
like this. It's gonna make the sound cut out.
ATYR.
ELDN.
111,000. Unemployment is expected at
Riley.
4.1%. So yeah, unemployment around 4%. What's your long-term view on hydrogen? I think actual GDP data at this point in time. The big risks here and now are obviously the election is going to play a factor. Like, that's a big thing where the election's going to happen. That's a big risk that might influence everything else. And cause
LTVR.
some rippling effects next year. The Fed's rate decisions, whether the Fed starts to
EONR.
market orders are open. The liquidity is the highest money here. I'm going to buy this. 4 contracts here. We'll see if we can keep our red streak alive here.
ATYR.
and
ATYR.
make some-
NGL.
And not. Yeah, sorry, I got it backwards. Let's hope we don't
SHPH.
keep our losing streak going.
NIO. ELDN. SHPH. Lucy. DJT. DJT.
AJX.
Lucy. BKYI. Lucy.
Riley. Riley.
BKYI.
McDonald's executive
Riley.
says in France started to see signs of improvement in market trends since launch of Mixed Smart menu.
LX.
1/B, strong backside. Variables to define strong backside. Quick washes with strong volume, quick unloads of
ELDN.
market sell orders. Weak bullish pushes on soft volume. Lack of aggressive bidding
ELDN.
into ask.
SHPH.
Micro gaps between 1-minute candles, 1-minute chart. Frequent stalls on tape with no major bids going trough. Lack of demand. Consistent lower highs and lower lows. Overall weakness and supply and control.
Miso.
BKYI.
The more expressed the variables above are, the stronger the backside is, as supply is dictating the core order flow on the assets, buyers getting dumped on from bigger sellers, or not much buyers participating at first place, just
BKYI.
sellers mostly. And usually it is important to have big picture in mind and as well small picture in mind. Ask yourself, does price behavior over last 30 minutes fit stronger backside? But what about over last 10 minutes? Has anything changed? Were any of above variables clearly canceled out by
ELDN.
strongly bullish ones? As mentioned on previous articles, to be along the
ELDN.
flow of potential short squeeze or fade, you need to know what variables to look for. Keep comparing bull thesis versus bear thesis, and keep
ELDN.
asking yourself, what about now?
LCID,
And
lucid
now?
gravity
And
orders
now,
to
is
open
initial
November
thesis
7th.
still valid? Or was there
Twilight.
Equity
drastic
touring price from
/ noticeable change?
79,900.
Because in majority of
SHPH.
short
Charlie India
squeezes, there will
Delta.
usually be telltale
BKYI.
variables that will discredit the strong backside thesis sooner or later. The sooner one
ELDN.
can spot them, the better. The way to apply what about now approach as the stock is moving trough the day. This is how my usual context comparing approach looks every day on almost any asset, not just small cap stocks.
ELDN. Losing. BKYI. DJT.
Kim,
Lack. Com. DJT.
Negating the strong backside. Variables that negate potential
Riley.
strong backside are exclusion variables mostly. Strong volume wash that reclaims quickly within 10 minutes. Reclaims of highs after big initial drop. High volume bullish push on backside of
LIXT.
ticker in late hour, 2:00 p.m. plus, etc. To negate your initial strong backside thesis, there have to be micro-negation variables that no longer
Losing.
support that initial supply fade thesis, either in minor case
Losing.
or, if many clues stack
AREB.
up, then in more major case. Depends on how much of counter
LIXT.
variables stack up.
LIXT.
WGS,
For example, all three presented variables above, negation variables of strong
LIXT.
backside, are all usually present on tickers that are rigged
GSK.
after 1 p.m. and end up squeezing
LIXT.
shorts towards the close. Those variables are not random. They were extracted from research
BKYI.
across many rigged tickers, and the backside will usually still be technically present as many traders would define price under VWAP, downtrend. But in reality, the riggers are building their
BKYI.
short squeeze behind the scenes. If you use and learn above three key negation variables, you will be armed to spot short squeeze much
BKYI.
quicker. And keep in mind, negation variables have to repeat consistently to be playing a role. Just because price once reclaims single wash, it might not mean much, but once done few times,
Losing.
that's where the odds start to stack up. It is important to be research-oriented and test by yourself which are
Losing.
truly the variables to look for on
LIXT.
chart of ticker, because without knowing what you should be looking for, the what about now approach will
Losing.
be useless since there is no
LIXT.
guide to follow trough. Test, test, test. It takes time and many have failed attempts, but this articles are not meant for those looking how to
Kim.
trade stocks with 10 minutes of time per
Riley.
day, but rather how to find more opportunities and adjusting trades trough the day as the stock chart / behavior develops. Being short at market open and then flipping into long by later hours is something that requires the study of behavior on small caps and the differences of variables, or vice versa.
LIXT. LIXT.
Being short at market
BYI
open and then
Inverted
flipping into
Technology
long
shows
by
falling
later
to the
hours
lowest,
is something that
$14,
requires the
down
study of
93 cents.
behavior on
Traders
small
circulating
caps
a
and the differences of
BKYI.
variables,
Sure.
or
Riley.
vice
report
versa.
from Bonitas Research. That's
LIXT.
Bravo Yankee Romeo November. Redbook U.S. retail sales first 3 weeks of October plus 5.3% versus October a year ago, plus
LIXT.
5.6% for the week ending October 26 versus a year ago. That's Redbook U.S. retail sales.
Losing. Lucy.
McDonald said for the rest of the year, reaffirming
Lucy.
some aspects of
BKYI.
outlook under assumption of no material impact from
Lucy.
E. coli outbreak to the business.
Lucy. Lucy.
GSK.
SHPH. DJT. DJT. Lucy.
MCD McDonald's executive said we took swift and
DJT.
decisive action on the E. coli outbreak.
DJT.
That's Michael Charlie Delta.
DJT.
WGS.
Lucy. Lucy. DJT.
CDNS.
PRQR.
CDNS. WGS.
Lucy.
PRQR. BBAI. CDNS.
SHPH.
CDNS.
PRQR. LCID. Lucy.
WGS.
Lucy. Lucy. Lucy.
Coming up, the house price
Lucy.
index.
Riley. PRQR.
Month over month
PRQR.
expecting plus 0.1%
PRQR.
for August.
PRQR. PRQR.
PRQR.
Riley. BBAI.
SHPH.
Plus 0.3% versus plus 0.1% expected on the August for month over month for August.
Riley.
Year over year plus 4.2% versus plus 4.7% previous. S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index 20 NSA minus 0.3% versus flat in the previous month. That's the house price index. ACN Accenture awarded task order of up to $1.6 billion to efficiently scale and enhance U.S. Air Force's
DJT.
multi-cloud one environment. That's Alpha Charlie November. ACN.
EBLV.
UBER,
LCID.
Uber Eats now accepting SNAP EBT nationwide with Albertsons and
GDRX.
Walgreens. That's UBER, Alpha Charlie
MSTR.
India,
Big spread.
and Whiskey Bravo Alpha.
Lucy.
RTX.
Lucy.
RTX is Pratt & Whitney and Next Level Aviation extend USM consignment agreement.
Lucy.
That is Romeo
Lucy.
Tango X-Ray.
Lucy.
Lucy.
GDRX,
Lucy.
GoodRx announcing exclusive low cash price for Qsemia weight loss medication. That's Golf Delta Romeo X-Ray. GDRX.
Lucy.
KDLY.
SHPH Shuttle Pharma doses first patients in phase 2 clinical trial of rapidactardine to treat patients with
Com.
glioblastomas. That's Sandy Hotel, Papa Hotel, SHPH.
Lucy. Lucy.
Nari.
Lucy. TIGR. LCID.
TSL. TSL. TSL.
LCID.
TSL. AMZN. TSM.
NXL.
AMZN and
QS.
CTSH, Cognizant Science Strategic Collaboration Agreement with AWS to empower
Lucy.
digital factory and enhance smart manufacturing.
Lucy.
That's Charlie Tango, Sandy
KDLY.
Hotel, and Alpha Michael Julie
QTI.
November.
Sophie. DJT. DJT.
NXL.
BKYI. Lucy.
TGTX. TGTX.
VFC.
TGTX.
KDLY.
SOS. TGTX.
VFC. DJT. SGD. 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 DJT. KDLY.
CVI.
AREB. Lucy. 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 AREB. AREB, KDLY, AMD, AMD, KDLY, KDLY, AREB, MARA, AMD, SGD,
TGTX,
AMD, TSLL,
TGTX,
TGTX, AREB, AREB, Lucy, ETHU, BKYI, BKYI, Lucy, SGD, Lucy,
SGD, SGD,
SGD,
CGNS,
DJT, MARA, PFE,
SGD,
SGD, SGD,
SGD, SGD,
SGD,
SGD,
SGD,
EVOK, HCWC, SGD,
SGD,
SGD, SGD, SGD, CDNS, SGD, SGD, SGD,
SGD, SGD, SGD,
CDNS,
BKYI, BKYI,
SGD, 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 SGD,
BKYI,
SGD,
SGD, SGD,
SGD,
BKYI,
SGD, 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 SGD,
SGD, BKYI, SGD, BKYI. BKYI.
SGD, Safe and Green Development, provides update on Sugar Phase 1
BKYI.
project in South Texas. Shares moving on that.
BKYI.
That's Sandy Gulf Delta.
BKYI. BKYI. BKYI.
BKYI, BKYI, BKYI.
BKYI, another spike here now to the highs. $1.74
TGTX,
up. $1.05.
BKYI,
BKYI.
BKYI,
BKYI.
BKYI, BKYI.
Company
BKYI.
announced a $910,000 order to upgrade biometric customer identification technology. That was at about 6:30 this morning. Now shares at $1.80 at the high for Bravo Kilo Yankee India.
TGTX, 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 TGTX,
BKYI. SGD. SHPH.
TGTX, CVI, TGTX,
DJT. DJT.
CVI,
DJT. SGD. Lucy.
TMTC,
SHPH. Lucy.
TGTX, CVI,
BKYI. SHPH.
CVI, MULN,
BKYI. SHPH. 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 SHPH.
JAMF, Jam Ventures,
BKYI.
Invest in Lifesaver Mobile.
MULN.
That's Juliet Alpha Michael Foxtrot.
BKYI. BKYI. BKYI.
BKYI,
BKYI. BKYI. SHPH. BKYI. BKYI. Lucy. SHPH. Lucy. Lucy. LIXT. SGD. LIXT. ELDN. ELDN.
OMH.
ELDN. DJT.
OMH.
Lucy. QUBT. ELDN. ELDN. QUBT. ELDN.
OMH.
DJT.
MFH.
Lucy. BKYI. ELDN. BKYI. BKYI.
TGTX. CGEM.
BKYI. BKYI. ELDN. ELDN,
PULM,
F, BKYI,
MOVE,
BKYI, 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 MARA, DJT, 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 TSLL, SHPH, AREB, MARA, BKYI, DJT, Lucy,
PULM, MOVE,
DJT, DJT, Lucy, LIXT, Lucy,
VCSA,
SHPH, BKYI, LCID, BKYI, Lucy, Losing. Losing. IREN. TZA. DJT. DJT.
Searching for music for your video? Then you need to check out our
IEP,
BKYI.
CVI,
BKYI. DJT. DJT. NXL. QBTS. Lucy. Lucy.
PULM,
DJT. TSLL. BKYI. BKYI. TSLL. SHPH.
INBS,
One minute to the U.S. market open.
BDMD,
TSLL. SHPH.
QMMM,
BKYI. SHPH. SHPH. BKYI. Lucy. AREB. BKYI. WGS. Watch the spread.
IIF,
Myra.
TLX, TLW, TLDI, LGR, NCLCH, CISK, TSKN,
Myra.
SGBX, LCGC, SESW, SESTH, GIVT, RITM, LGR, IVDA,
KUKE. Nari.
VFC.
Watch the spread.
Dow Jones Industrial
ERCH.
Average down 177.91. S&P 500 down
Riley.
7.34. Nasdaq up 12.20 after the open.
SOXS,
Lab.
SGBN,
Lucy.
SHPH,
Lucy.
SELDN, NCLH, IBRX,
HCTI.
IRCH,
BKYI.
NWTN, RGTI, PTON, ELDN, ELDN, KSLQ, ELDN, Northeast, HCTI, QUBT, GNPX, SDOW,
HCTI,
RGLS, SPXU, ELDN, SGMO, CLBI,
HCTI,
BEAK, LABD, SGD,
LLY,
TLCMC,
Eli Lilly Canada,
ICIS,
got
RMBS,
TVGN,
positive
Watch the
Canada
spread.
Drug Agency recommendation for
BKYI.
for Zenio,
CDNS,
expanded indication in EBC for full ITT
Riley.
population. That's Lima
WM.
LLY.
XPON,
BKYI,
PRCH,
BKYI,
WM, CDNS, CDNS, UCO, IBDA, ORIS, SQQQ, NU, TSLQ, WM, RMBS,
LUCY,
QNTM,
innovative eyewear halted on a circuit breaker
IONQ,
on the way down, $9.09. That's the Lima Uniform Charlie Yankee.
AESI,
NOXS, RITM,
Shares hit a high of
BTBT.
$13.77 in the
NADLY.
pre-market after the company announced
BKYI,
KIN,
BKYI,
their launch of the first ANSI certified smart
Graph,
safety glasses
LTBR,
for all-day
SGMO,
wear. That's LUCY.
IMUX, CCL,
BKYI, BKYI,
XPON, BCS, ALCLH,
Lima Uniform Charlie Yankee.
RGTI.
TSDD, Yang, VFC, CCCS,
PRCH, PRCH,
Hollow, PRCH, TSLQ, SAIKR,
VFC, PRCH,
AG,
PRCH,
RMBS, JBK,
LTBR,
NOC, SPXU, Riley,
RGTI,
AMPX, SOXS,
SHPH,
HCTI,
BKYI, SHPH,
GNPX, CTBT,
SHPH,
BKYI, MARA,
BKYI.
SHPH, Indo,
SHPH, BKYI,
T, SGMO, OPRA,
LIXT,
STAF, IMUX, RCL, MY, RCL, NBDD,
BKYI,
RCL, RGTI,
BKYI, BKYI,
NCLH, AREB,
SHPH,
ITRM,
SHPH,
SHPH, GTDR,
SHPH,
KXIN,
SHPH,
VST,
MCD,
Right.
McDonald's shares spiking here now, 302.50.
JBI, LAO, ALO,
Shares up about 1.75%. Micro Charlie Delta.
AFC, SHPH,
These mushrooms make you feel better. They increase focus and energy while keeping you calm.
SHPH,
SHPH as
SHPH,
TZA,
LAC,
SHPH,
SHPH, LAC,
FLS,
BKYI, LAC,
RGTI, Blue,
WGS, Big Spread, BKYI,
PHUN, AMKR,
BKYI.
CCL, SHPH, SHPH,
CWH, SHPH, BKYI,
DJT, edit, INCY,
DJT.
QUBT,
QUBT.
HMY, LGBN,
QUBT.
WGS, WGS,
SSTK.
CJT,
Big spread.
WGS,
WGS.
EXK,
Watch the spread.
WGS,
SSTK. Big spread.
SHPH,
WGS.
SHPH,
ABBC.
WGS,
WGS. Watch the spread. WGS. Watch the spread.
Indo, BITF,
BKYI. WGS.
DJT
Watch the spread.
Trump media shares
RGTI.
halted on a circuit breaker. Delta Juliet Tango,
BKYI.
5409.
BKYI.
WGS,
LUCY shares resume trading.
PSLV, sleeve,
Shares at
LICN.
$8.64.
WGS.
Sir,
Watch the
Pulling
spread.
back further now after resuming. LUCY.
WGS. Watch the spread. WGS.
GDYN,
Watch the
NGLS,
spread.
NBIS, RMBS, CJTWW,
LICN.
CCCS, OPRA, JMRA, BETO, BTC, CHGG,
BKYI.
MAXN, RGTI, SMCX,
BKYI.
ETHA, PHUN, INTC, QUBT,
Coming up at
IBG.
10 Eastern Time, Jolt job openings for September, 7.98
CORZ,
million expected. CB consumer confidence
NBIS,
99.5 is the consensus.
UABS, SPXU,
BKYI.
BWGS,
SHPH.
COMM, WGS,
BKYI.
GDYN,
SHPH.
OPRA, MARA, DATS, 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 SLNH,
DATS,
ATYR,
DATS.
SLE,
DATS,
DATS pumping here now. Delta Alpha Tango Sandy.
MAXN, Dust, NBIS, ERAS,
Lucy.
GNPX, UABS,
Lucy.
NBIS, DJTWW,
LIXT.
VFC,
ASPI.
JBI,
SHPH.
SON, DWTN, OST,
AREB.
SMCX, AMKR, JBI, INCY,
LIXT. AREB.
COMM,
ELDN. BKYI.
MAXN,
COSE.
UABS,
BKYI.
BKYI,
BKYI.
CHGG,
BKYI.
BKYI, BKYI, UABS, CWH,
BKYI.
ERAS, VFC, THC, QUBT, ETHA, BITF, SMCX, OPRA, GRE, OPRA, VST, MAXN, 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 ELDN, and WTN,
MAXN, Maxi and
INCY,
Solar popping here. Michael Alpha
SHPH.
X-Ray November.
ELDN,
Maxian up about
ELDN.
12% now.
LTBR,
HLIT, PSQH, NVD,
SHPH,
PSQH, PSQH, UABS,
PSQH,
PETA,
SHPH,
TALK,
PSQH, PSQ Holdings getting a pop here on volume.
UABS.
Papa Sandy Quebec Hotel.
DJT, LTBR, QUBT, AMPX Dust, CRKN, BKSY, HLIT,
DJT,
LTBR.
Trump shares resumed. Shares
SHPH.
51.50 now,
Cost,
up about $4.
QBTS, KIN,
Delta Juliet Tango.
LTBR,
PRCT, LTBR, LTBR, CORZ,
PRCH,
DJT halted again on a circuit breaker on the way down. Now
LTBR,
51.50. Delta
HLIT.
Juliet Tango.
DGHI,
LTBR,
GNLN, Veto, BITF, OPRA, BTC, TSLZ,
Real.
SDIG, TSDD,
Ken,
TSLQ,
TSLQ,
Anti,
Vera. Watch the spread. TSLQ, PRCH, TSDD, QUBT, LTBR, SHPH,
LTBR, 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 SLRN,
LTBR, LTBR,
LTBR, ICCM, OPRA, AMPX,
ICCM, QUBT, SHPH,
SDIG,
SHPH,
QUBT, UABS,
QUBT, MSTX,
GNLN, MARA, BITF,
QUBT,
CVLT, DGHI,
LIXT,
QUBT,
LAC,
QUBT,
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 MSTX, Hive,
ELDN, QUBT,
CORZ, PRCT,
NA,
Veto, BKYI,
ELDN,
CVLT,
BKYI shares
BKYI.
resumed trading. Bravo Kilo
BKYI.
Yankee India. Spiking, popping here to new
CVLT.
highs, $1.95. That's BKYI. And shares again
LGBN.
halted at the highs, up $1.26. Halted on a circuit breaker again. Company earlier announcing a $900,000 plus order.
TLRY,
That's Bravo Kilo Yankee India.
ATYR, RMBS, SON. Hive. SDIG. Coney.
CONL. WVE.
ACRS. Alt. TPST. CGC.
WVE.
GNPX. Riley. CBLT.
WVE.
PSLV.
ATYR.
Real. Any. TVGN. EOSE. PETA.
CKPT.
AAPL
AAOI.
Apple, the information reported. Apple taps India to learn how to build new
SHPH.
iPhone.
WVE.
OST.
LYEL.
RE. RBRKL.
SHPH.
HUD.
SHPH. QUBT. NCPL.
TLRY. BTBT.
NCPL.
Riley. CGC.
NCPL. LEC.
Blue. BITF. Alt.
TPST.
GRYP. SLE.
Riley.
SON. AAST. QNCX.
TPST. QNCX.
ATYR. TSLS. CVLT.
DJT.
TSLQ. TSLZ.
LPTX.
AESI. TSDD.
DJT.
VFC. CRKN. NCPL. Leg.
VFC. SHPH. AREB. ELDN.
LAAC. BITF. DGHI.
DJT. Lucy.
ACRS. NCPL.
Lucy.
ATYR.
Indiana Wesleyan University.
NCPL,
Lucy.
Net Capital, getting a pop here. November Charlie Papa Lima.
Tuition, intentional faculty. Start today at discovertheway.com.
DJT.
CGC. UPXI.
DJT.
ARHS.
DJT.
CHGG.
DJT.
GRYP.
NCPL.
BTBT. AMDL. PFC.
DJT.
CKPT. AKSY. PRCT. ATYR. HUD. RMBS.
Green.
CVLT. VTYX. SDIG. BITF. KIN. PTIX. PTIX.
LIXT.
SILJ. NCPL. Riot. NCPL. ACRS. BTC.
NCPL. RGTI.
BTBT, EXK,
GRI, UABS, PTIX, LIXT,
ARBK,
UABS,
LAC,
AREB, AREB, GRI,
LGBR, UUU, 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 UUU,
UUU,
SNDL, Riot,
UUU,
Mara, PSQH, ERAS, UUU, EFSH,
UUU
Yang,
halted on a circuit
Green,
breaker on light
PSQH,
volume, relatively light volume on that
NE.
one. Universal SEC, that's
PTIX, APS, VFC,
uniform.
Coney, LYEL,
SHPH,
ITDR, ITRM,
BGC group share is getting a small pop here. The
SHPH,
November
MNPR, AMDL,
$10 calls
BO.
trading. That's
DHI,
Bravo Golf Charlie.
AG,
SHPH, SHPH,
ARBK, TSLS, OWL, RMBS,
SHPH,
LAC, UABS, TSDT,
UABS,
TSLQ, TSLZ, EFA,
SHPH,
HMY,
SHPH,
BTXI, ETH,
UABS,
AMDL, BINO, GTEC,
GNPX,
AEG, GRYP, TALK,
SHPH, SHPH,
TSLS,
SHPH, SHPH, LIXT,
LEU, TSLZ, LAC, LAAC, HMY,
LIXT,
OWL, TSDD, NE, AMDL,
ASM,
TSLQ, TPST,
LIXT,
TALK,
TPST,
LTBR,
Myra,
PSQH, ETHE, PSQH, SBSW, Coney, GOGL, Riot, ETHA,
LTBR,
LAAC, F, Q, HMQH,
Lucy, Ken, LTBR,
GRYP,
SHPH,
NUKK,
LTBR, Ken,
WTI, MNPR, LTBR, PSQH,
LTBR,
Mara, ETHA,
LTBR,
EB, Any,
Myra,
Riot,
DJT, SHPH,
ATR,
NVDA, NVIDIA
DJT.
share is moving higher, trading positive
SHPH.
now up 11 cents. NVDA.
When,
Bitcoin futures now up
PSQH.
22.20 at 70
PSQH,
SHPH.
2,520.
PSQH, LTBR,
Listen, paying $14.99 a month for a streaming app and $9.99 a month for a music app and $12.99.
Coming up, Jolt's job openings.
Verb.
2 minutes. Expecting 7.98 million.
NUKK,
CB consumer confidence expecting 99.5.
WGS,
GNLN,
big spread,
AMDL,
Lucy, Ken, Lucy,
GNLN, MNKD, GRYP,
Lucy, GRYP,
Leg,
UABS,
Wall Street Journal reporting X algorithm pushing political content.
LAN,
SHPH,
Beto, Talk, ETHE,
SHPH,
Says
ETHA.
X algorithm feeds users political content whether they want it or not.
Lucy,
When,
SHPH,
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 UPXI,
HCTI, TGTX, Ken,
Jolt's job
SBSW,
opening
LTBR.
7.43 million versus
LGBN,
7.98 million
HCTI,
expected.
LTBR,
BCNX,
S&P futures getting a little pop on
Ken.
that.
Leg,
SHPH, SHPH, LTBR,
BCNX,
Ken, RGTI,
RGLS,
Ken, HCTI,
CRKN, Riot,
And now S&P futures reversing, moving lower.
NXL, When, LMFA, Coney, LMFA, ICCM, GOGL,
CB consumer
SBSW,
confidence 108.7
Talk.
versus 99.2 in September.
HCTI,
AMRN, HCTI,
BKYI shares
LTBR.
resuming trade.
Black.
Moving
Right.
lower now. Bravo
LMFA.
Kilo Yankee India.
LMFA.
Riley. Talk.
Riot. Beto. Hive. ARBK. ARBK.
DJT.
BTDR. ACI. BTBT. LGBN.
BKYI. HCTI. ARBK.
ETHE.
SHPH.
FBIO.
BKYI.
Longeveron presents Lomacel B data for Alzheimer's
NSL.
disease indication and late-breaking poster at
HCTI.
Clinical Trials on Alzheimer's Disease
L.
Conference. That's LGBN.
WTI.
In Magal, Victor, November.
UUU. AESI.
UUU trading resuming
Talk. GPR.
after a circuit breaker halt.
Leg. HCTI.
Shares hitting $1.87. Some
HCTI.
more volume coming in now. That's uniform.
NVTS. BTC. GOGL. MIRA. ARGRS. ETHA. BTG. BTHE. SNDL. LAC.
ALGN. Watch the spread.
CGC. Riot.
JAGX.
LAAC.
HCTI.
AESI.
BKYI.
LGDR. JAGX. HCTI.
JAGX.
SLE.
HCTI.
VSTM. F.
BKYI.
MBTS. ELF. AG. GP.
HCTI. HCTI. BKYI.
SLNH. IVR. VLRS. MNPR. AEG.
MIRA.
MIRA. Sage. Riot. Sand.
Mara.
ICCM. Ronnie.
HCTI. BKYI.
ARBK.
SHPH. SHPH.
AESI. FBIO. WGS. PLG. MNPR.
HCTI.
VSTM. WTI. CKPT. VLRS.
HCTI.
Eben.
PRCH. BKYI. MNPR.
Son.
SHPH. UUU. MNPR.
Grammarly's proactive automatic writing suggestions are great.
CGC.
Sometimes you just want to
AISP.
tell
SLE.
Grammarly how to help.
SLNH.
Rewriting text works the same way. Highlight some
ANNX.
text and type a prompt describing how you want to change
Sand.
it. Tone, style.
NKLA.
LIXT.
BTG. Ronnie.
BKYI. UABS.
AG.
LIXT.
WTI. RGLS.
SHPH. SHPH.
GPRO.
BKYI.
CUK. EBN.
SHPH.
UPXI. VLRS. ASM. EGO. BTG. IVR.
KEN.
AG.
LAC. SHPH. PRCH. UUU. UUU.
GSTM. STWT.
UUU.
CUK.
UUU. UUU.
TV. MIGI, NYMT. BTCT.
BKYI.
SBSW.
BKYI. HCTI. BKYI.
AAOI. KAVA. GP. GRI. SLRN. PRCT.
UABS.
HLX.
HCTI. GRI.
AESI.
UABS.
UPXI. VLRS.
UABS.
GRI.
QUBT. LAC. KEN. SHPH.
AAOI.
UABS.
LAC.
UPXI, UPEXI getting a pop to the high now. Uniform Papa
TSLT.
X-ray India, UPXI.
SHPH.
WK. ACI. AESI.
SHPH. SHPH. BKYI.
UABS. EUFN.
SHPH.
LAAC. GPRO.
BKYI.
ESTM. NYMT. DBI. HPP.
SHPH.
SMCX. UPWK. AMDL. LEU. AAOI.
SHPH,
ELRS, NKLA,
SHPH,
NE, LAC, WGS, UABS,
NE,
TV,
BKYI, UABS, UABS,
SSTK,
UABS,
HLX,
ELDN,
HPP, SBSW,
UABS, UABS,
UAVS, NXL,
UABS, UABS,
LEU,
SHPH,
NE,
SHPH, ELDN,
TV, SSTK, NXL, AEO,
JBLU, JetBlue CEO
SGMO.
said there is still significant work ahead on our path to full-year operating profitability. As we head into 2025, we remain confident in the underlying supply and demand backdrop. That's JBLU.
UPWK,
UUU,
NXL, HLX,
UUU,
LEU,
UUU,
LC, NBIS,
Lucy, UABS,
BRFS,
UABS, NXL, UABS, NXL,
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 GRI,
GRI,
Riley,
SHPH, BKYI, SHPH, SHPH, SHPH,
UPWK, AMPX, GNPX,
BKYI, LTBR, Lucy,
WHEN, PLG, NKLA,
Lucy, LIXT, BKYI,
BRFS, Riley, NXL, NE,
DDL, Riley, UABS, Riley,
NBIS,
UABS,
AMPX,
Riley,
NYMT,
UABS, Riley, UABS, Riley, UABS, HKD,
UABS, DX,
UABS,
WHEN,
UABS, DJT,
GLYC, BRFS,
LAC, Lucy, SHPH, ICCM, Lucy, MHUA, Riley, Riley, QNRX,
NYMT,
CELH, MHUA, UUU, UUU,
HPP, FBIO,
In the past at college,
HITI,
I've struggled with overusing the
HCTI,
same words
NKLA.
again and again in my essays. I do a lot of writing, and tools like Grammarly are essential. Grammarly is an AI writing partner that helps me efficiently craft quality writing across different platforms and save time. I've been using the
Lucy.
free version of Grammarly since high school, but upgrading to Grammarly Premium for college-level work.
HCTI,
SPWH,
SPWH, QUBT,
NKLA, NKLA, NYMT,
LEN. Watch the spread. LEN. Watch the spread.
SMST,
BKYI. BKYI.
NXL, LEN, NEWP,
LEN.
Coming up at
Watch the
10:30,
spread.
Dallas Fed Services revenues and Texas Services sector outlook for October.
NKLA, AMDL, NCPL. UPWK.
BKYI. MSTZ.
SMST. NKLA.
MSTZ. MSTZ. UUU.
Leg.
BKYI.
AMDL.
SHPH.
SBSW.
NPWR. SHPH. UABS.
AMPS.
UABS. UABS.
FGF.
SHPH. UABS. UABS. LAC.
Leg.
LAC. UABS. LAC.
Nova. GTES. RGC.
LAC.
BTYS. ICCM. SBSW. RGC.
LAC.
CC.
LAC.
FBIL.
LTBR.
AMDL. FGF. NEWPUPWK.
Ken.
WEAB.
BKYI. UABS. UUU.
WGS.
BKYI. LAC.
Lab. HLX.
Riot.
AMDL. PWM. Leg.
ACM. Big spread.
PWM. PWM.
UUU. Lucy.
PLRS. WGS. NCPL.
UABS. Point. Big spread.
ICCM.
UABS.
WGS, CPRI,
UUU,
RGLS,
UABS, ACRS, UUU,
VOD,
UABS,
NCPL, Lab,
ACRS, BKYI, UABS, UABS, UABS,
SLRN,
Riley,
UABS,
UABS, UABS, UABS,
CCN,
UABS,
HPP,
ICCM, Riley,
NXL, THC, NCPL,
Riley, Riley, UABS,
MHUA,
UABS,
ICCM,
ICCM, NCPL,
LAY,
NCPL, NCPL,
DUG, NXL, NCPL,
SHPH, NCPL,
UABS,
BKYI,
NCPL, NCPL, NCPL,
NCPL, BKYI,
NCPL,
NCPL, UABS,
SPMB, MTA, Top,
NXL,
Dallas Fed Texas Services Sector Index of General Business
LIXT.
Activity.
BRFS, UABS,
2.0 in October versus minus 2.6
UABS.
in September.
UABS,
Texas Services Sector Revenue Index 9.2 in October versus 10.1 in September. That's from the
QUBT.
Dallas Fed.
GRNQ, UABS, LIXT,
UABS, UABS,
UABS,
UABS, UABS, UABS, Myra,
UABS, LIXT,
DJT halted on a circuit breaker. On the way up, 47.28, Delta Juliet Tango.
Myra.
X popping here, US Steel.
LIXT.
39.37.
DATS. SGMO. LIXT. MSTU. HCTI.
Myra.
NCPL.
NYMT.
MSTU. Big Spread.
SKK.
BKYI. LIXT.
Lab. ALGM.
LIXT. LICN.
MHUA. Leg.
LICN. LIXT. LIXT.
Done.
GNLN. UAVS.
Myra. SBSW.
SCLX.
NYMT.
UUU. CNTM. UUU.
THC.
UUU. UUU.
MHUA.
This is more than a laptop launch. This is a U launch.
ALVR.
AI just got personal. Introducing the Lenovo Yoga AI PC. That's smarter AI for you.
BKYI.
Myra.
LIXT. Myra.
CKPT.
LIXT.
DJTWW.
LIXT.
GELS IPO quoting now.
LIXT.
Geltec.
UAVS. UAVS.
IPO for today.
BKYI. UUU.
THC.
UUU. UUU.
ARR.
BKYI.
WGS. WGS.
WGS. Watch the spread. UAVS. WGS.
ASL.
Watch the spread.
SYY share is pulling back here. Conference call
WGS.
starting.
Watch the
starting
spread.
at 10 a.m. DJT Trump Media share has resumed.
WGS. Big spread. BKYI.
SAVE and JBLU. JetBlue CEO
NYMT.
says we're not interested in revisiting the Spirit Airlines acquisition. Would consider Spirit assets. That is JBLU,
LTBR.
SAVE.
LTBR.
Shares of Spirit getting a little pop here. Some volume coming in.
LTBR.
GPRO. FGF.
Sandy Alpha
BTYX.
Victor Echo.
LTBR.
TV.
LTBR. LTBR.
WGS. WGS Talk.
LTBR. GNPX. BKYI. DJT.
UPWK. ACRS. SNDL. DJT. ORC.
BKYI.
MTA. SBSW. ORC. Doug. Lab. GPRO. CC.
GPRO. GRNQ. WGS. Watch the spread.
HITI.
UUU. GNPX.
Nova.
VFC.
UPWK. NYMT.
WGS. Watch the spread. UUU.
Leg.
Riot.
WGS. VLRS.
GNPX. UUU.
ORC. FGF. LGFA.
GNPX.
OPRA. RDDT. FGF.
UUU. UUU. UUU.
CC. FOSL.
UUU.
IVDL.
DJT.
THC.
BKYI.
WGS.
DJT. LIXT. LIXT.
GOGL. WGS.
LIXT. LTBR.
RDDT.
LTBR.
GOF. UUU.
UUU.
UUU. UUU.
UUU.
UPWK. Doug. GTES.
GRYP.
GPRO.
LIXT, LASE,
Talk, SBSW TV, CKPT,
UUU,
UUU,
UUU, UUU,
WGS RGLS, WGS PGHL, UUU, Roleg, ORC, NYMT, RDDT,
UUU, BKYI,
UUU,
UABS,
UUU, UUU,
UUU,
RE, THC, BLRS, DX, TV,
NXL,
JBLU, JetBlue executive said impact of elections on travel is nothing different than what we have seen historically. Says expects depressed
DJT.
travel during the actual week of the U.S. elections. That's JBLU.
DJT,
JetBlue
Talk.
share is off the lows now, $6.19,
Guts,
down about 15% following their
GLGL.
earnings report. JBLU.
Talk, LIXT,
THC, BKYI,
UUU,
Kava, CRBU,
BKYI,
UPXI, another pop here, $7.85.
BLRS,
NXL, NCPL,
NXL, ERAS, SKYX,
NXL, NXL, BKYI,
UPXI,
UUU,
GPRO,
UPXI, SHPH, GPRO,
APVO shares popping here, Alpha Papa Victor Oscar.
BLRS, RDDT,
Small pop here, just getting some volume actually.
EXFY,
LIXT,
TV,
LIXT, LIXT,
SKYX, NSL,
ATNF, ATNF.
WGS.
ATNF.
NXL getting another pop here. Excellent technology. $2.66. November X-ray.
LIXT. ATNF. LIXT. LIXT.
RDDT.
LIXT.
UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI.
NXL. The leg.
UPXI.
UPXI, $8.88. Continuing
UPXI.
now on heavier volume.
UPXI. LIXT.
NXL.
BKYI. UPXI. LIXT. LIXT.
GTEC.
LIXT.
UPWK.
UAVS.
LIXT.
LIXT.
WGS.
LIXT. LIXT.
UPXI halted now on a circuit breaker.
NXL.
UAVS. Talk. SHPH. SHPH. SGMO. UAVS. WGS.
CPRI.
Watch the spread. UPXI.
Doug.
WGS. Watch the spread. UAVS. UAVS. BKYI.
SUPB.
NXL.
GELS shares
WGS.
are open. Golf Echo Lima
NXL.
Sandy.
UUU.
IPO.
NXL.
Shares at $4.01.
NXL.
Priced at $4. That's GELS.
Leg.
AREC. WGS.
Myra.
Shares pulling
Myra.
back here a bit. Again, it opened at $4. Priced at $4.
AREC. LIXT.
RDDT.
NXL.
CYCN. Cyclerian.
BKYI.
Shares halted on a circuit breaker. On light volume, CYCN.
AREC.
Talk.
Talk.
Myra.
UAVS. UAVS. CHGG.
PFE Pfizer CEO Borla says some CG and
GNPX.
pipeline assets have potential to be
UAVS.
mega blockbusters.
SHPH.
That's Papa Foxtrot Echo PFE.
VFF.
Shares of Pfizer off the lows now at 28.40, down $1. That's down 1.5%.
UAVS.
ANIX.
That's Papa Foxtrot Echo.
AREC.
Boris. Talk.
DJT.
ANIX.
LIXT. BKYI.
ANIX.
LIXT.
Vito.
LIXT. LIXT.
UPXI.
UPXI shares have resumed.
UPXI.
UPXI.
UPXI. UPXI.
Shares $9.85 now.
UPXI. Big spread.
SYRS. RDDT.
UUU. LIXT. UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI.
More highs now in
UPXI.
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 95
UPXI.
cents.
UPXI.
27 now.
UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI. UPXI.
Kaba. SUPV. VLRS. ANIX. BTOC.
BLDN. UPXI.
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 UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI. UPXI.
VLRS.
LIXT.
UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI $11 now.
BKYI.
And shares are halted again at $11.
BKYI. Greek. Ken. BKYI.
RGLS. PPSI.
LIXT,
VLRS, SYRS,
RGLS,
CKPT,
CKPT,
YSG,
KEN, AUTL,
AUTL,
AUTL, LIXT, CKPT, Losing, UUU, UABS, LIXT,
SUPB, PPSI,
BKSY, UUU,
EXFY, WGS, ASPI, RGC, VLRS,
UABS, BKSY, UUU, ACIW,
RGLS, TSLQ, TSDD,
SHPH,
CSTL, Castle Biosciences shares moving here on low volume,
DJT,
up about 2.75%. Charlie Sandy Tango Lima.
CRBU, NE,
ARBK, NE,
RGCI, SNDL,
ANY, Sphere 3D, getting a pop here. $1.29 the high for November Yankee.
EXFY, TSLQ, MTEN,
LIXT,
PLRZ, quoting
LTBR,
now.
LTBR,
NE,
LTBR,
SYRS,
NE,
Polyrizon, IPO, quoting now. That's Papa Lima Romeo Zulu.
RGC,
AJG, Arthur J. Gallagher acquires Adept Benefits, terms not disclosed. That's Alpha Juliet Golf.
RGC, Big Spread,
SNDL, UPSI,
UABS, RGC,
TOSI,
UPXI,
UPXI resuming
RGC.
and hitting $12 now.
Then you
UPXI,
need to check out Artlist. With
UPXI,
amazing new music added daily and one simple license that covers
LIXT,
YSG, ASPI, PGC, CLRS, UPXI,
UPXI. UPXI. Big spread. UPXI. UPXI. UPXI.
UPXI, UPXI,
UPXI. BKYI. NXL.
SNDL,
Talk.
VLRS,
UPXI. NXL.
ASPI, GPRO, LGO, AMPX,
UPXI. LGO. AMPX.
TV, Talk,
BKYI. LIXT.
KOD,
NXL. NXL.
KDLY,
Talk. WGS. Watch the spread.
UPXI pulled back $10.56 and
AREB.
shares are
QUBT.
halted
VLRS,
on the way
QNTL,
down
GNPX.
Horus,
at $10.56. That's UPXI.
Talk.
QNTM,
LIXT. NXL.
KOD, RDDT,
LIXT. LIXT.
SNDL, KDLY,
BKYI.
KDLY, SUPV, SUPV, KDLY,
LIXT. XPOF. KDLY.
Talk, ACB,
KDLY, kindly MD. Shares getting some small volume coming in
AKBA.
now. Kilo Delta Lima Yankee.
Leg. LIXT.
SYRS, VLRS,
UABS.
RGLS,
LIXT.
Leg, DGHI,
TPST. Ken. TPST.
ACB, SUPV,
LIXT,
CRDF, ASPI,
KDLY, UABS, TLRY, KDLY,
DGHI, ACB,
DGHI, NE,
Leg, TV, MHUA, KDLY,
KDLY, KDLY,
LPTX, EXFY,
HCTI,
SYRS, KDLY, 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 GPRO,
KDLY, KDLY,
ACB,
SGMO,
OLB,
SGMO, LIXT, LIXT, Lucy,
DGHI, RGLS,
Lucy, PPBT, Lucy,
SNDL,
LIXT,
UPWK,
LIXT, NXL, PPBT, LIXT,
Talk,
KDLY,
EXFY,
KDLY,
ACB,
PPBT, LIXT,
LIXT, CKPT,
LIXT, LIXT,
GPRO,
LIXT, LIXT, KDLY,
RDDT,
KDLY, KDLY, LIXT,
LIXT,
PLRZ, IPO opening
SMST,
at
LIXT,
$1.64.
LGFA, LIXT,
LIXT,
Priced at $4.38. That's PLRZ.
KDLY, AMPX, EXFY,
KDLY,
LPTX, RGLS, ASPI,
BKYI,
DVAX,
LIXT, SGMO.
LPTX.
LIXT.
CRTX.
LPTX. ASPI. DDL. ASPI.
SGMO.
OST.
CNET. TV.
LIXT.
UPWK.
SRTS.
ASPI. LPTX.
LTBR. NXL.
UPWK.
LTBR. NWTN. NXL.
SKYQ. CRBU.
LTBR. NWTN.
SUPV.
UPXI resuming.
PACB.
Shares continuing now falling below
RDDT.
$10. That's UPXI.
ASPI.
NWTN.
ZCAR.
BKYI. BKYI. LTBR. BKYI.
LPTX.
UPXI.
BGS.
UPXI. UPXI.
ASPI.
BKYI.
MHUA.
UPXI. Big spread.
PLRZ
SYRS.
shares resuming.
COCO. UPXI. UPXI.
TNGX. RGLS.
COCO.
BETO.
BKYI.
YSG. Lab.
COCO. Big spread.
ASPI. FGL. SDIG. PPBT, talk.
Talk. UUU. PPBT.
PPBT, PPBT.
BKYI.
ZCAR.
UPXI.
CRDF. RGLS.
UPXI.
RDDT.
NXL. UPXI. Talk. TPST.
LGO. TPST.
UPXI. WGS. Watch the spread.
Talk.
LIXT. WGS. Watch the spread.
ASPI.
LIXT. WGS. Watch the spread.
Relay.
UPXI. WGS. Watch the spread. WGS. Watch the spread. LIXT. WGS. Watch the spread. WGS. Watch the spread. WGS. Watch the spread. LIXT.
RBRK. RDDT. TPST.
UPXI. UPXI.
ASPI, Rely.
LIXT.